Hi, Ruben Taylor from Biznostics here. I just want to shoot this quick video because I'm seeing many more of our customers confusing the urgent with the important. And they're quite different things, and often urgency is what will drive a business because things are urgent. You know, they've got time pressure, you've got things that need to get done now. And so we're running around and we're getting quotes out and we're responding to customer calls and we've got phone calls going. And so there's all these urgent things going, but then we tend to leave the important. And if we just react on the urgent all the time, well, then we're fighting fires, we're often inefficient, it's costing us time and money, and often it's quite stressful. I remember one of our customers runs a landscaping business and he was just literally running around from job to job, from quote to quote, catching up at night. It was just stressful, it was painful. And so when he realised that the urgency was running his day rather than the important, it was a bit of a revelation for him. And so the important things are what is actually going to move your business forward. And often it's about being proactive rather than reactive. Rather than react to the demands, how do we start to get ahead in our game? And in his case, what he started to do is to plan his work. He started to schedule his work. He started to look at what materials and jobs he had coming for that week and planning for them. He started to fit little jobs in around big jobs and started to become proactive. So instead of running around, urgently all throughout the week, he started at the start of his week and said, well, what's important to get done this week? And then went about it. So what our job is as business owners is to get really smart at determining, is this urgent or is this important? Because most things coming at us, they're important for someone else, but they're not important for us. And the better we are at discerning that, the more in control of our time we will be, and the more productive and effective and efficient we'll be. So think about where in your business are you being reactive and responding to the urgent versus where you could be proactive in doing that. Let me know your thoughts on this video, and if you need some help in getting more proactive in your business, then reach out to us, send us a message, and I'll love to catch you in another video soon. Bye for now.